Welcome to the Learn Biology podcast, where we break down complex biological concepts and make them easy to understand. Today, we will be discussing carbohydrates, an essential macronutrient in our diets. Carbohydrates are organic molecules that are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. The ratio of carbon to hydrogen to oxygen in carbohydrate molecules is 1 to 2 to 1. One type of carbohydrate is the simple sugar, or monosaccharide. The most common monosaccharide is glucose, which has the chemical formula C6H12O6. In humans, glucose is an important source of energy. During cellular respiration, glucose is broken down to release energy, which is then used to make adenosine triphosphate, also known as ATP. Plants also use glucose as a source of energy. They synthesize glucose using carbon dioxide and water and the energy from the sun. Excess glucose is often stored in plants as starch, which can be catabolized by humans and other animals that feed on plants. Another type of carbohydrate is the disaccharide, which is formed when two monosaccharides undergo a dehydration synthesis. The bond formed between two carbohydrate molecules is called a glycosidic bond. Some common disaccharides include lactose, maltose, and sucrose. A long chain of monosaccharides linked by glycosidic bonds is known as a polysaccharide. Polysaccharides can be branched or unbranched and can contain different types of monosaccharides. Examples of polysaccharides include starch, glycogen, cellulose, and chitin. Starch is the stored form of sugars in plants, while glycogen is the stored form of glucose in humans and other vertebrates. Cellulose is the most abundant natural biopolymer and is a major structural component of plant cell walls. Chitin is a structural component found in the exoskeletons of arthropods, such as insects and crustaceans. In summary, carbohydrates are an essential part of our diets and are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Monosaccharides and disaccharides are simple sugars, while polysaccharides are long chains of monosaccharides linked by glycosidic bonds. Thanks for listening to the Learn Biology podcast. Be sure to tune in next time for more fun and informative episodes.